Alright, this will be the elevator that serves yet another wing of the Casa, Marina, Waldorf, Astoria resort in Key West. This one appears to be a Dover or a ThyssenKrupp. The other elevators have a monitor. No lantern on this elevator either. Oh yeah, it's a Dover, an older Dover. Wow. This is nice. Wow. I was not expecting this. Probably from like the late 70s or early 80s at latest. It's got the early version of the newer traditional with the 70s style panel. Hear the relays click down here too. 3. Listen. Three. You heading down?
Yes.
1.
Remember when those things were big enough at my age, you had to set them on your shoulder all the time.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm just interested in the elevators in the hotel. It's a pretty nice property.
Mm-hmm.
Have a nice day. I'm just gonna get off here because this elevator looks pretty busy, so. Oh, that is so. There it is. Locked as it should be, but man, does that sound epic. You know what? You know what? We'll give this one more ride, actually. Oh, I love the noise this makes. This indicator seems burned out, though. The cab's the same as the other elevators, but this one's an original Dover and not a boring PTL mod. 3. Alright, let's listen. Here we are on the 3rd floor. Dover interlock. And we'll go back down and end on the 1st floor. Non-ADA phone. One goes out. We'll send this up to 3. And whoa, it closes almost instantly after opening. Alright, listen. There it goes. That'll be it.